Kevin's been my shining star from the beginning. He's learned CAD, he's learned CAM, he's learned the machines.
Now that I had a quicker, better, and faster understanding of the machines after being around them for so long, I could really get over that roadblock of doubting myself. And since I now had that new confidence in not only my work, I felt that I could now share that with the new interns.
Right now I'm working on one of the rails for the arm. I worked on it this morning. That is half of it made right now.
My very first day, I was putting together the CubeSat. So first day, I was already working on the satellite. Knowing that the things that I produce are gonna end up going to space or going somewhere out in industry, it's really great.
He's a perfect mentor to our CCTE students from high school.
I do put myself in their shoes because I'm only a year older than them. I just graduated last year from high school. So I understand how kind of confusing or challenging it might be to really grasp all that there is to know here, because I was there a couple months ago.
And the work from the students, it shows. Our work comes out very, very precise.
I really liked getting my hands on with the machines. The people I work with here, the other interns, Kevin, Rick, everyone's just been great.
And I realized how much I learned and how much I really like what I do. And that made me want to just pursue working as a machinist.
I'm about to start as a freshman at UTEP. I'm gonna major in mechanical engineering.